More news about the environment. This time it's about midges around Pandan Reservoir in Singapore. Water agency PUB says more of the insects have appeared in the area because of hot and wet weather, and operations are underway to control the midge population.
The agency is fogging around the reservoir and at void decks of nearby HDB blocks. It is also regularly removing midge egg masses attached to floating structures and rocks in the reservoir, and using pesticides to get rid of the midge larvae.
PUB stresses that the midges don't bite or spread diseases, but they can be a nuisance in large numbers. The agency has been closely monitoring the situation, and it is carrying out daily inspections at the affected areas.